kena sentiasa diperbaiki dari semasa ke semasa, ya. Jadi saya pernah nak cakap panjang, ya. Jadi selamat, ya, maju jaya, ya, walau di mana, ya, anak-anak berada, ya, sentiasa menjaga disiplin, ya, menjaga nama baik, ya, kedua ibu bapa, ya, jaga nama baik sekolah, jaga nama baik sekolah rendah, ya, walaupun di mana kamu berada, ya. Jadi dengan lafaz Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, saya dengan ini merasmikan, ya, Majlis Apresiasi Tahun 6 SK Bukit Rahman Putra untuk sesi 2023-2024. Sekian, terima kasih.
Majlis menjemput Tuan Guru Besar untuk bersama-sama Dr. Nur Syahini, Wali Bin IBG, diiringi oleh Tuan Zanariah untuk naik ke pentas menyempurnakan acara pelaksanaan.
I was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. bergetar jiwa menghadapi mimpi-mimpi, suka dipercaya, pintunya terbuka. Di sini jua memori tercipta, walau seketika terjalin kasih kita. Mungkin di sini kita kan terpisah, kenangan bersama tiada ku lupa. Mengalun suara sesuri bisikan hati, seiringan mencari haruan berseni. Bergetar jiwa menghadapi mimpi-mimpi, tiada pun terduga, pintunya terbuka. Di sini jua memori tercipta, walau seketika terjalin kasih kita. Mungkin di sini kita kan terpisah, kenangan bersama tiada ku lupa. Yang terpahit jua termanis, semuanya bagiku terindah. Ku ingati buat selama-lamanya. Di sini jua memori tercipta, walau seketika terjalin kasih kita. Mungkin di sini kita kan terpisah, kenangan bersama tiada ku lupa. Mungkin di sini kita kan terpisah, kenangan bersama, kenangan bersama, kenangan bersama. Mungkin di sini kita kan terpisah, kenangan bersama tiada ku lupa.
Hello.
The stage is set in a grand manner, adorned with elegant furnishings, towering ceilings, and a majestic staircase. The guests have gathered at the victim's house after their wedding celebration. Welcome to the party, my dear guests and family. Have fun and enjoy the food. Viewers, do you like food? Then eat after this, okay? As the night progressed, the mood becomes tense as a scream is heard. The guests rush to the spot of the sound and discover Putri is yet lying lifeless, having been backstabbed.
Everybody, please remain calm. This is a crime scene. No one is to leave the room until we have conducted our investigation.
We will need everyone's cooperation to get to the bottom of this. If no one here pleads guilty, everyone will go to prison for 30 years to rape.
Wait, really?
Yes, really.
Oh no.
Okay, the first question. Wait. The suspects, Kaiser, Ali, Amira, Umiya, Darish, Iman, and I are brought for questioning.
Okay, for the first question, where were all of you when the murder happened?
I was outside the study, listening to music using my headphones. I was at the garden, admiring the moonlit night. I had no reason to harm anyone, and I am innocent, legit innocent. I was at the ballroom, dancing with the other guests. I didn't see anything out of the ordinary. I was at the chair, drawing my characters. I was in the kitchen, helping with the preparations. I had no motive to harm Putri or Zia. I was on the balcony with Iman, talking about the hardships of life and how unfair it is. And I was just on the balcony with Darish, talking about my business and how well it's been going lately.
What's this? It's a book of recipes.
Yeah. Wait a minute. I found a suspicious knife with an engraved code in it.
Wait, may I take a look at it?
Sure.
Thank you.
But that's my evidence.
Sorry, please. Give it back. Sorry.
Wait a minute. I think it's Amelia, because Amelia was in the kitchen. The kitchen's not nice. Preposterous. I was in the kitchen with her the entire time. She didn't go anywhere else. That's weird. It was just two of you, so you must have killed them both together. No, it feels like Tasha killed them.
It's not me. It's Ali.
Impossible. It's not me. I'm pretty sure it's Iman.
Alhamdulillah, syukur dah selesai apresiasi tahun 6 kali ini.
Tanya.